Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP tip 35. In this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can compare the values of internal tables directly in the ABAP coding. And before getting started, what we will use, and therefore I will open up the SE24, so the class builder. We will use this class CL underscore ABAP underscore DIFF difference. So it's very important before doing this. You have to check in the class builder if this class is available. This ABAP class is available up from the ABAP version 7.58 and especially in the newest SAP S S/4HANA release, so 2023. So SAP itself initiated this class to compare internal tables quite easily. So here, make sure that this class is available, and also make sure that the create method, so this is the method to create an instance of this class, is a static method. So if this is not a case, then you have to upgrade your ABAP releases to get this class into your system. So let's directly get started. So first of all, I would like to copy this data. So basically what we're doing in here, so here we have defined one type consisting of two components, ID and value, and here basically we have set up defined two internal tables, and here we are using the modern value operator to directly fill in these two tables initially. So here, as you can see, these two tables are exactly the same. So then next what we're doing is we will, as mentioned, call the create method of this class. So therefore we will use this class and the static method create, and we will use the difference, so the output mode, for generate output. You can also leave this as default if you want to. And then here we got an object of this instance, and this is what we will use before this, because if you want to, you can also define a same indicator if these two tables are identical. So, and next what we're doing in a try catch, we will basically call the method difference with line reference. Here as the target, you will paste in the first internal table and the source the second one. And here, if you want to, you have an identical indicator. So if you want to, what you can also do before directly output the result, you can make an if-else condition. If these two internal tables are the same, if they're the same, then don't output. But if there are any difference, then you can output this. So this is basically the code. So then we're making a syntax check. Then we will activate this and let's test this. And here you can see that there aren't any difference displayed. So this is perfectly fine. But what happens, for example, if we make some changes? So let's, for example, here add a 5 and then activate this. So here we have a difference. Here it's test 55 and here it's test 5. Then execute this, then here you can directly see in which kind of line there is a difference. And here you can see in the source there it's test 5 and here it's test 55. So there you can directly see the difference. Or for example, let's directly get rid of this line, then activate this and then run this once again. Here you can also see that within here it's initial, so there it's missing. You can also see that it has been deleted. So and what would also happen, so for example, add a complete new line in here. So for example, let's make ID 7 in this case, and then activate it for first, and then execute this. And then here you can see also what is the difference. So here it has been inserted. So yeah, and especially it's very important that the target will be used for the comparison. So if you would like, within here we can see in the target there it's missing, so there from the source it has been deleted, and here in the target there it's having one more line, so there it has been inserted. So here basically keep this in mind. I have maybe switched this, so if you also would like to use the first internal table as the foundation and the second one for the changes, then you have to move it the other way around. So let's do this once again. So activate and run this, and now here we have it. Then in our source line in table 1 there's no value, but in the second table there is one additional line, and the other way around, then we can see this for the second table as you want to. And yeah, by said this, SAP offers a great class to compare internal tables. If you would like to compare tables itself, so the table content, not the internal tables, then you can open up the SCMP transaction, and within the SCMP, basically here you can compare tables in different systems. So this transaction you can also use not in ABAP but in the SAP system. And yeah, I said this, unfortunately this class is not available in every system, but if it is available, it's very useful to compare internal tables. And yeah, I said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel to support my work and not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 65 great videos left about tips and tricks in ABAP, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.